Lesson 4.2, Interior Angles of Parallelograms. In the previous lesson, we did quadrilaterals, but we're going to talk about a specific type of shape called a parallelogram. And so we're going to use the same standard. We're still working on that, find the measures of interior and exterior angles of polygons, explain, justify the method used. So parallelograms are going to have some specific methods. Today's objective is I can find the measure of a missing interior angle of a parallelogram. All right, so let's figure that out. So first of all, what is a parallelogram? And that's kind of important, is a parallelogram is a four-sided figure with two pairs of parallel sides, hence the name parallelogram, and two pairs of congruent angles. So, in essence, if I draw a parallelogram for you, you have this side and this side are parallel, this side and this side are parallel, and then you have congruent angles right here and right there. So opposite angles are congruent. So those are going to be the rules that you need to know. So we have two rules to follow. Opposite angles are congruent. Okay, that's number one. And the other one is adjacent angles and those are supplementary, which by the way means 180 degrees. So opposite angles would be like this angle and this angle. So they're opposite. And then adjacent angles would be that one and this one. And adjacent, which is next to, right? So two of them next to one another. All right, so let's see what that looks like. Let's take an example here. So are these opposite or adjacent angles? Well, we know this one. The opposite angle would be C. This one is adjacent to or next to A over here. So these two are going to be supplementary or 180 degrees. So that means that angle B plus angle A, which is 135 degrees, is going to equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to subtract 135 from each side, just like my algebra teacher taught me, and yours did too. So we're going to borrow here. So it's a 7 and a 10, that's 5. That's 45 degrees, so B is equal to 45. Okay, a little bit of work there. However, this example, this is not the right example. All right, cancel that one. We're going to put the question mark up here because this is supposed to be opposites. So these are opposites, and they're congruent. So that means that angle R is equal to 99 degrees. And that's it. You don't actually have to do any solving of that equation. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so those are your skills for today. Please use them and practice them on our assignment, and we will carry on next time.